Peak Pilates is unique because it was created to reach the public. We created a system to help people know exactly how to teach, what to say, when to say it, how to touch, how to maximize the human potential of the body. And in doing that, we realized another missing piece. We said, wow, nobody's really talking about stages of learning here. How does a beginning student learn differently than an advanced student? And how does a beginning teacher have to be in the practice and be talked to in order to be able to understand where they are in the journey? We're going to coach you and help you understand exactly how to improve your performance. I feel like I'm on the dream team now that we're with Mad Dog. It's awesome. They're organized, they have resources to help us develop more than we've ever been able to develop. They have new avenues into markets that we haven't reached. So we have the opportunity now to really serve our students and our clients, our corporate clients, by being one-stop shopping for not just equipment, but for the best education, the best experts in the field that are available.